Data loss will bring you unnecessary troubles and losses, so you should back up your Windows 11 system and important data to an external hard disk regularly. This video will introduce you to 3 simple, safe, and fast ways. Way 1. Back up Windows 11 to external drive with file history. Type file history in the search box and open the program. Click the Turn On button to launch the backup. Way 2. Back up Windows 11 via Create a System Image. Search Control Panel and then open it. Navigate to System and Security. Then click Backup and Restore Windows 7 options. Click on the Create a System Image option. Select your external hard disk as the backup location. Please make sure your destination disk has enough space. Then click Next. Click the Start Backup button to start backing up Windows 11 to an external hard disk. Just be patient and wait for the backup to finish. Way 3. Back up Windows 11 via Create a System Image. Go to isunshare.com. Download and install CloneGo on your PC. Then launch the software. Select the backup function. Select the source disk or partition to be backed up. Click the Choose button to choose a large enough partition. Click Start button and tap Yes. Hit OK, and the backup process is finished. If you want to run it, you need to restore the ICG file firstly. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods.